Guys, today I am gonna tell you how to solve this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So it's really easy and let's get in. So as you can see, in the opposite of white there is yellow, and in the opposite of green there is blue, and always the opposite of orange there is red, and the opposite of white is yellow. So let's get in. So for what first you need to solve is a white plus at the top. So this is the white, and how you need to do is that you need to first set the colors like white, red. So this is the middle point. So that means that is the color starting point. So as you can see, I have now started with the red. But you should not go to blue. You need to go to orange, then you can go to these colors. Or else it will be confusing to solve it. So now let's go to this orange. So this red is already solved. Well, let me see how to solve this orange. Now as you can see, this orange is interchanged. As you can see, there is white, there is orange, there is white, and there is again orange. So this is not the correct way. So you need to twist this like this, spin at the top, and la la, you get it. So now you need to do another twist at the middle, because when we twist it like this, we twist it like this, and when we spin it, it will spin and it will get separated from these colors. So you need to get the middle one, and now you can see white, orange, orange. In the opposite side, white, red, red. So let's now go to the blue. So now for this blue, blue, and white again. So you need to twist this upside down, and you will get the right side up. Now we need to search for the green. So as you can see, white and green is right over here. Twist it like this, side, and again if you twist another one, it will be interchanged. Twist it at this side, this, you get a plus, but the middle colors will be separated. You need to solve them again. It's just easy, just twist the middle one and you will get it. You can see white, green, green, white, orange, orange, white, blue, blue, white, red, red. So now we are going to solve these corners. So these are called edges and these are called corners. So now let's solve them. So this is really easy. This is the best step I have performed. As you can see, it's like this. You need to twist it like this, down, like this, and up. You get it. And these corners share three colors, like over here white, over here green, over here orange, because green side and orange side and white side. So that's how you need to think and solve them. So over here, as you can see, white, red, green. So now let's go to the next one. The same formula. So you get it. Orange and green. Now you need to go to the next one. So it's over here. So as you can see, it's solved. And the last and final color, orange, blue. So you need to twist it like this, this, and you get the white. So on this step, what we have done is, the top we have solved the white, and the other colors we have solved the tea. As you can see, orange tea, blue tea, red tea, and green tea. So at the bottom yellow will not be solved the tea. because that's not the right formula. So you need to spin it, spin it, spin it. So in this step, it's a really easy formula. So you need to get it to the left. As you can see, green, orange. You need to get it over here. Orange over here and green over here. So let's get it. This formula is twisted at the top, white, get it, and twisted at the top again, and like this. This one, this front, like this, and when you go down, you get this green and orange. So next, we will go to this one, blue and orange. You can see this is the blue and orange. Let's keep it over here. So we twist it at the right at the top. Then the white should come up. And then twist it like this. Then the white will be separated from over here. And then you need to get these two whites again down to the bottom. Just like that. And you need to twist this white again back over here. As you can see, this white and the bottom is over here. So now what you need to do is, you need to twist it at the front like this, from here to here. And if you twist it like this white will be again back. And you will also get this blue, orange, blue, orange. So let's go back to this one. So this is the right formula. Twist it at the top to the left, white and white get separated and back down. Twist it at the top, front, twist it at the top again, and get it. So now you need to check if every color at the bottom you have done. So these two layers are done. This and this is not solved. So first, in the end, you will get an inverted L, or you will get a line like this, or you will just get a dot. So I have got an L, so I will do the formula. So this is a really easy formula. You can keep at any side, twist at the front, this way you will get separated. You should not face this side. The starting position, if you are starting from green, you need to be in green. If you are starting from orange, you need to be in orange. If you change the sides, then the formula will be ruined. Front, twist it at the top, again back. So what I have done is, you need to twist it like this. This top white will be separated, and you need to get this back down. And then you need to get this white back and twist it. So I have got another inverted L. So I need to do this formula again. Just do it. So I'm almost gonna get a line. So I'm gonna get this line. So as you can see, I have got the line. So you should not keep this and do this formula. You need to give it a horizontal side. Then do the formula again. As you can see, now you have got an plus. So now you need to get these edges matching to these colors. Right. So as you can see, this red is correct and this green is correct. But these two are interchanged. So what you need to do is, you need to keep anything at the right, the correct matched ones at the right. And then you need to do this formula. Twist it at the up, twist up, and this way it will get separated, down back, another twisted at the top, and as you can get this white back, you need to twist it 2 times and this will get back, and you need to spin it and check it. So these edges will be solved: orange, blue, red and green. So the next formula is that you need to match these corners, and this is the last step of the cube. So as you can see, this is correct, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. So for that, the correct one will be correct. Look, yellow, yellow, orange, orange, green, green, but it will just be interchanged. So we need to keep that front twisted at the up, back this white will be separated from this bottom, twist it up, will get separated, and this white will come back. Twist it at the up again, and this will get mixed and this will get separated. Down, back, and twist it back, and this will get, and ulala, you get one, and the another one is over here. And if everything is correct, we need to leave this over here to the right, and we need to do this formula: right inverse, down inverse, right, down, this, and down back. As you can see, this is correct now. Without doing any, you should not do like this. If you are doing in any color, just twist one to the top and do the same. As you can see, this will be solved back. You need to twist it at the top back and do the same formula. And here comes the magic. We have solved all of them. So you need to just set these sides. You can see blue, yellow, green, white and blue again. So this side, orange, yellow, red, white, orange. So you have done the cube. If you like this video, like, share and give the subscribe button and give the like button and click on the bell. Bye.